UND Aerospace, in collaboration with UND Education, as well as the North Dakota Aeronautics Commission and the North Dakota Aviation Association, was awarded a FAA WorkForce Development Grant. This grant is going to give us some tremendous opportunities to really reach out to North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota to help to train teachers to provide an aviation curriculum over a period of 1 year. We plan to go to 8 different locations where we'll meet with at least 25 teachers, which will give them a 2-day course in which they'll be able to learn about UAS operations, UAS careers, UAS systems. You'll be able to fly a small UAS course. This curriculum is going to involve different parts that will help them to be prepared. The first part will be an online preparatory training curriculum that will enable them to be ready to take their Part 107 UAS Operator Certificate. The second part is going to involve 2 days on-site where we'll be teaching 25 teachers how to use the unmanned aircraft system, how to build a small UAS, how to use drone simulation and practice drone simulation, as well as prepare for a drone racing competition that will be held at UND in spring of 2023. The second day is going to involve using a specialized curriculum that we have developed that will enable you to walk through various lesson plans so that you can teach aviation even if you aren't a pilot or in the aviation field. If you have the skills of being a teacher, then you'll have the lesson plans and materials that you need in order to be able to teach for a 1-year curriculum for high school students. As part of the resources that we'll give you, not only was this book, but the other supplies that you'll need that relate to aviation flight training, and also a small kit that will include a small UAS, a simulation package, as well as some first-person goggles that you'll be able to use in order to fly your UAS. This is all going to be offered over the summer and over the next fall, and we'll be providing resources for you as well so that you're not left alone trying to figure out how to use this curriculum. So we're going to develop the curriculum for you. We're going to give you a couple days to train you on that curriculum to make sure you're comfortable with it. And then we're going to provide support for you over the year until you come back next spring of 2023 and have your students race against each other in a large-scale UND competition-style drone racing event. To find out more, follow the information on your screen below. In addition to this, you'll also be able to receive continuing education credits through the University of North Dakota. We look forward to hearing from you.